This is a tricep stretch using the PNF technique, the Proprioceptive Neuromuscular Facilitation. You'll stand against a wall, reach up as high as you can. Go ahead and bend your elbow and touch your scapula with that elbow if you can. You're going to go ahead and take the other hand, put it on top of that hand, and lean into the wall until you feel a stretch in your tricep. And hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, press the elbow into the wall and try and straighten your elbow at the same time. So here we go. And we're going to do that for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. You should be able to raise that elbow a little higher and go a little deeper into the stretch. And hold that for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, press the elbow into the wall and try and raise your hand or straighten your elbow for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. You should be able to go a little further into the stretch. And then again, you do that for 2 to 3 rounds of that sequence.